Hey guys, Elijah here. So I'm sick. I got a fever, so no video today. I just wanted to make this short little video so I can introduce you guys to my dog EJ. A guy which I have him in my hands right here. Say hi to the camera, EJ. And it's and he's like, I wish to put me down. I don't want to be recorded. And some of y'all already wondering, what happened to your dog, Elijah? It's the family dog. I can't exactly let Sport come live with us anymore. So, and my, and since I'm sick, E EJ is going to be my dog EJ is gonna keep an eye on me and make sure I'm feeling better. And I wanted to speak with you all about this, okay? I'm gonna let EJ sit on my bed. EJ, why don't you just take a seat on my bed here? And I'm EJ is really worried about me because I feel sick, and he's worried about me because I don't feel well. And he's gonna do everything he can to keep an eye on me and make sure I feel better. Same with my family here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it there. I just hope I feel better. See y'all next time. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. See y'all later. Peace.